Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be transforming this sweater dress into something a little bit better. I don't wear this. I don't like the cut of it, the fit of it, and I'm just going to alter it to make it something that I probably would wear more. So I'm just going to share with you how I'm going to transform it, and if you're interested in how it's going to turn out in the process, then I hope you keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to add the Instagram ad that I saw that inspired me to make what I'm getting ready to make. It's actually pretty simple. So all I'm going to do is cut up the sides, so up to about here maybe, and then I'm going to fold over the edges, sew it down with a zigzag stitch to prevent it from fraying, and then I'm going to add another skirt or a piece underneath it that's going to stick out the sides, similar to the dress that I'm sharing in one of the screens here. And it's not going to be as long, of course, but it's just going to mimic this style. The piece that I'm adding underneath this is a skirt that I've modified. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it below in case you're interested. I've shared this skirt a few times. It was very long and I cut it, and I've worn it multiple ways, but this is just another way that I can incorporate this with this new dress. And then I'm going to use the extra pieces to create a belt, and that's going to be it. So I'm going to share with you how I'm going to do everything. I might not show every single step because it's pretty simple, but at the end I will show you what it looks like. So thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This dress I updated in a previous video, and I'm going to link it below. This is a dress that I think I got from Wish, and in that video I transformed this a tiny bit. So I'll put that video below in case you want to see it. And now for the dress, instead of folding this over like I originally wanted to do, by like folding the rough edge in under and then sewing it, I'm hoping you can see that. Instead of doing that, I'm just going to sew a straight stitch straight down on the rough edge, because folding it over is creating, like, it's just indenting all over. I just want this to lay kind of flat as possible. I'm just doing a straight stitch with the widest and loosest tension. So, and trying to keep it flat. And that's it. And that's what I'm doing for the whole thing. And this is what I'm doing with the belt part. I'm doing the same thing. So these are all rough edges where I cut it. I'm just going to sew straight stitch down the whole side, on one side going down this way, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, and it'll just be open, the edges will be rough, and that's going to be it.